What is it?
This is our little AR-15 assault rifle tree trimmer.
Okay.
It's a combo. This is a combo gun.
Okay.
I was gonna shoot from here.
Oh, no, you're not. And Keith, what are you shooting?
22.
That's not a 22. Is that his Kimber or whatever?
45. So.
Oh.
Tree trimmer. Special. Every tree trimmer needs to have one.
Now, Keith, you're kind of in the... Go for it.
I can't hear nothing.
What?
Huh? Yeah! You got it going your way. Holler timber! Hey! Hell yeah!
Who needs a saw?
Redneck.
Who's a redneck?
Where's that other limb?
So Lee, how'd you get the limb down?
We took it down with our tree trimmer, aka AR-15, with a little help of a Kimber 45.